Hi friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today I'm going to be working with you, showing you what known as a Virtualenv and actually downloading up what known as a Flask, and then we're getting started to use that. So I won't show this step by step to show you guys how things are done. I said I'm going to give this in the video description to show you where you can get the Virtualenv, and then you get to know how to get started with it. And I said please make sure members you have Sublime Text Editor, because I'm going to be using up Sublime Text Editor. But if there's no scene, you guys can use at home. You can use Python, you can also use Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, and you can also use Sublime Text, any other editor as long as you can use to come up with. Even you guys, you can just use this IDE file, you can also use that to come up with what you need. Now for instance, for me, I'm not going to use that. I'll be using one on a Sublime Text Editor if possible to come up with what I need. Now members, I want to show you something here with working with you guys to show you on the guide on whatever. What's Virtualenv, like we said initially. So Virtualenv is just a Python environment version of the same, which enables us to create up a different files. A file which is standalone application. Like for instance, we have this file of ours. We said we're going to come up with something. So underneath our Python files here, I created up something called Python Flask. So I'm going to get with you guys there all together if maybe it's okay with you. So that's it. So I just said underneath that, so I just need to go back to my PC and go cd to OSP, sorry, cd to users, cd to OSP, and cd to one on our desktop, which is okay with us, cd desktop, then cd to Python, so which I already have cd to Python. So underneath there, we said we're going to be just coming up with what we need inside there to come up with what we need. This time I'm going to create a file. So I'm just going to make a directory, whatever there which you guys may need. So make a directory, and I'm going to call my directory to be one on us Python Flask. So that's what we're going to be basing up with. So cd to Python Flask, which is going to be our Flask kind of a place. Now my friends, here we're going to be now creating up something simple. We want now to get our Virtualenv, which right now last time we installed. You guys, you have maybe forgotten from the previous video, that's what we have, and we said it's already there. Measurements are required at least, so I think I didn't give anything there, but that's it. Now on the other way around, without wasting time, we need to create up something there. So I'll simply say Virtualenv. I can create up my web application just called web. So when we do that, it's going to create up for us a file inside our Virtualenv. Here, I think you can see. So this is the file, and it's having scripts, and even inside scripts we have one as activate, which they are down. So what does Virtualenv really does? Then to download for us all the necessary file which is standalone to give us a chance to come up with what we need. Now what I'm going to do now, I'll just go to cd to one on us web. cd web. cd web is this one here, from Python Flask to web, and we are going to web, which is web now. So inside there, I'm needing now to create one on us a version environment for that given application to stand alone, to be different from the rest. So I'll simply say one on us scripts. Why am I saying scripts? I'm calling for scripts inside Python module, which is this one here, to activate for me this Python module so that I can download my stuff. Remember, this is not Python 3, so that implies it's just like having another computer inside a computer. So I have the real computer, which is this one, but again I have my own Python program which I want to run alone, and this time around I'm creating up an application which is going to be standing alone. And here you can even see I have a chance to use pip and the rest, so it gives me a chance to create what I need. So I'm going to simply say scripts for backslash, and then you simply say activate. Why are we activating? We're activating it to become a version environment, and by the time I click that, I think you can see I've activated up my version environment, and that implies anything I'll install here is going to be going direct to this stuff. Like for instance, now if I simply say maybe and now I can download now one as Flask, so I can simply say either I can just use pip or whatever, because this one means I'm only to this environment, and I'm only basing on this. And I think you can see I have chance to use one as pip 3, pip 7, pip, you get pip alone. So I'm going to specify myself pip 3 install for me one on us Flask. Now here you guys, you can specify the version of Flask you want to install by you doing that. So definitely my PC is going to download for me the Flask, and I'll be in position to have Flask installed on this PC to be ready to get started with what I'm doing. So you see it's collecting up those given files and responsible files to get up started with a Flask app development with Python. So guys, I hope you love the video, because I think you can see it's done with downloading of my Flask. and I think you can see Flask is added into this environment. I can also add other things within here if maybe I want to add, like maybe I can also add another stuff like Django. You get Django, but I'm not on Django today. I'm not on whatever. I'm just using Flask. I will even download MongoDB, but I'm not on it. I want just guys learn Flask alone. Then next time I'll be also showing you also one with Django or maybe with Python. So guys, hope you loved it, and I have shown you here how to really frame up that given stuff. And inside there, you can create another name here, which is going to be the root directory or project, or you can create other stuff. And this is very good way to program, because it gives you a chance to put your program in an independent line. No matter tomorrow you happen to get a crash on your PC or whatever, your application stands alone and gives you a chance to do what you want without any fear. So guys, I hope you loved it. I hope it helped you. I hope you solved your problem. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Thank you.